Instant noodles are a popular food enjoyed worldwide. Originating from Japan in the 1950s, they have since taken the world by storm, becoming a staple in many households. They're quick and easy to make, requiring just hot water and a few minutes of patience. This convenience is unmatched, especially for those with busy lifestyles, making them perfect for a fast meal or snack. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, instant noodles provide a satisfying solution. From busy students to late-night cravings, instant noodles have become a go-to for people of all ages and backgrounds. They offer a comforting and familiar taste that transcends cultures. Their affordability and delicious taste have made them a global phenomenon. With countless flavors and varieties available, there's an instant noodle for every palate, making them a beloved choice around the globe. The main ingredients in instant noodles are simple: wheat flour, water, and salt. These ingredients form the base of the noodle dough. Oil is added to give the noodles their texture and prevent them from sticking together. The real flavor comes from the seasoning packet, a blend of spices, salt, and MSG. The process of making instant noodles is fascinating. It involves a series of intricate steps, each crucial to creating the final product that millions of people enjoy worldwide. It starts with mixing the flour, water, and salt into a dough. This mixture is carefully measured to ensure the perfect consistency and flavor. The ingredients are blended in large industrial mixers, which can handle vast quantities of dough at once. This dough is then kneaded until it becomes smooth and elastic. The kneading process is essential as it develops the gluten network, giving the noodles their chewy texture. Industrial kneading machines work tirelessly to achieve the right consistency. Large machines press the dough into thin sheets. These sheets must be uniform in thickness to ensure even cooking later on. The dough is rolled out multiple times to achieve the desired thinness. These sheets are then cut into the familiar noodle shapes we all know. Precision cutting machines slice the dough into long, thin strands, which are then separated to prevent sticking. The cut noodles are steamed to cook them partially. Steaming is a critical step as it gelatinizes the starches in the noodles, setting their structure and preparing them for the next stages. This steaming process gives the noodles their springy texture. The steam also helps to lock in moisture, which is essential for the noodles' final texture and taste. After steaming, the noodles are either deep-fried or air-dried. Deep frying involves submerging the noodles in hot oil, which cooks them quickly and gives them a crispy texture. Frying gives the noodles their characteristic flavor and helps them cook faster. The oil used in frying also adds to the richness of the noodles, making them more satisfying to eat. Air drying is a healthier alternative that produces noodles with a lower fat content. This method involves blowing hot air over the noodles, which removes moisture without adding extra calories. Once the noodles are dried, they are cooled and packaged with the seasoning packets. The seasoning packets contain a blend of spices and flavorings that give each noodle variety its unique taste. These packages are then boxed and shipped to stores around the world, ready to be enjoyed. The entire process, from mixing the dough to packaging the final product, is a marvel of modern food production technology. A world fueled by noodles. Consumption and fun facts. Billions of servings of instant noodles are consumed globally every year. China is the largest consumer of instant noodles. Interestingly, the inventor of instant noodles, Momofuku Ando, was Japanese. He created instant noodles after World War II to address food shortages. Noodles in a hurry. The impact on our lives. Instant noodles have revolutionized the way we eat. From their humble beginnings in Japan, they have become a global phenomenon, enjoyed by millions of people around the world. They offer a convenient and affordable meal option for people with busy schedules. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or just someone looking for a quick meal, instant noodles have become a go-to choice. While not a replacement for a balanced diet, instant noodles provide a quick and tasty solution for those short on time. They come in a variety of flavors and styles, catering to different tastes and preferences. Their impact on modern culinary habits is undeniable, and their popularity shows no signs of slowing down. As technology advances, we can expect even more innovations in the world of instant noodles, making them an even more integral part of our daily lives. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content, updates, and new uploads from Manufactour straight to your feed.